Hello, this is lesson 135, number skills. Let's go to the next slide. These are nickels. We've worked with nickels before. If you look down here at this bottom one, it actually says 5 cents. Remember those? We count by fives. So let's count by fives. This is heads and this is tails. So he's got a ponytail, remember? So let's count by fives. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, oops, missed it, 40, 45, 50. Very good. Let's do that one again. I'm going to do it in a straight line. 5, oops, let's go over here. 5, 10, 15, picking it up. Let's try this. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Oops, 50. Okay, so we're going to count these. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And remember, you can slow that down if you need to. Just click on the little dots on your screen and you can slow it down. Okay, let's go ahead and put those back. And then we're going to study again. We're going to practice our between numbers. Those are the ones that come in between two numbers. I'm not going to do all of these because we need to have time to explain the paper that we're going to do. If we were in class, I would do all of them, and you can stop this and do them if you'd like. I'm going to pick a few of these. We're going to go with it in the 80 family. This is 82, 84. Let's think about, they're both in the 80 family. So let's look at the second digit, which would be 2 and 4. So what comes after 2 and before 4? So the number that comes in between 2 and 4 would be 3. So 82, oops, I forgot my pen. 83. So we have 82, 83, 84. Very good. So let's go down here to, let's try this one, because this one's kind of a difficult one. We have 39, and we know it's 30 family. Ooh, and that's a different family. 39 is the last number of the 30 family. 39. So if we keep going, we're going to go off into nowhere land. So we can't go any further down. We have to go up to the next one. So after 39 is 40. So let's go back there. 39, 40. Nice big round zero is daddy. 39, 40, 41. Very good. And let's see. Here we have one. I'm just skipping around a little bit. We have a 68 and a 70. Oh, those are two different families. 68 is way down close to the bottom. So let's go look. 68 8. 68 right there. We're not at the bottom, so we can still go down some more. 68, 69. Very good. So let's go back to our slide, and we'll put in 69. Okay, that's you can practice on the rest of those if you like, but we're going to go down to the paper that we're going to do today. So let me see if I can bring that up. Let's go to the back of the paper first so I can explain it. So make sure you have this paper. We've been learning about measuring things, measuring by inches. So it says how many inches long is each object. So you see, if you take this, the end of this, they're all at the end here. If you take this and go up, 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 how many inches do you think that would be? If you said 1, you're right. Let's go to a long one. This is at the beginning point here. And let's go right here. If we go up, 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 what do you think we would get to? We would get to 5. So you put the length of it in the boxes. So I think you can do that. Just kind of look. You got to make sure you go straight up whenever you do that. Okay? So the other side is a test. And I need you to be looking at the very top. Now the very top says write the number your teacher says. Well, unless I tell you what to write, you can't write it, okay? And we don't need our cardboard shields today because you are not at school today. You're at home. So look at the very point to the first dump truck. In that first dump truck, I want you to write the number, listen carefully, 32. I'll say it again, 32. Let's go to the second one. The second dump truck, now this is in the teens, remember? Remember what that is. The second dump truck is the 12. Write 12 in that one. Now for the third dump truck, listen closely. 94. 94. Let's go to the last dump truck there. Listen carefully as I say the last number. 46. 46. Write that in the box. Okay, let's go down to the next section, and you know that these are number words. These are numbers. So you can match the number words that are on this side to the numbers that are on this side by drawing a line. On the next section, write how many cents. Now these are the nickels like what we counted earlier. They are nickels. There's the heads and there's the tails. So count those and write them in here. Write the amount of cents, not how many coins, but how many cents. You know what we count by. We're going to add these together. These are the top number plus the bottom number. And you're very good at this, so do those on your own. Down here, look at the clocks. We have the short hand this way and the long hand that way. So down here, write the time for each one. This one is here, and the long hand is down there. This one is pointing here, and the long one is down. So I want you to do all of these very carefully, and be sure to put your name at the top. Don't write in this box because that's my box to write in. Okay, so do your best work, and when you're finished with the front, turn it over to the back and do the back just for fun. It says up here, fun with numbers, and numbers are fun. Okay, bye-bye.